you think that you want to live a great life? I'm sure everyone wants to have a great life. But when it comes to great life today, all the guys think about abs and biceps and triceps. And when it comes to living a great life today, all the girls think of size 0. When it comes to a great life today, all the girls think about money. And when it comes to Marwadis, I'm from a Marwadi family. They don't need much to make money. They don't need to go to college to make money. A Marwadi and a Chinese both were sitting in a local train and going in a local train, and a mosquito sat on the Chinese guy's head. He picked it up and he ate it. Then a mosquito sat on a Marwadi fellow's head. He picked it up and turned to the Chinese guy and said, "Kharidega kya?" That guy will make business out of mosquitoes, you know. So loads of people think that in order to have money, you need to look good. That's the modern paradigm. Biceps, triceps, size 0, you need to look good. People think in order to live a great life, you need to have good, which is basically you have a lot of money, and then with all that money you can buy so much stuff, upgrade your home from a smaller one to a bigger one. If you're riding a bicycle, you get a bike. If you're riding a bike, you get a car. If you're riding a car, you get a better car. If you're riding in a bus, you start traveling by train. If you're traveling by train, you start traveling by plane. People are thinking that you live a great life by upgrading the quality of your lifestyle. There is a big difference between a lifestyle and a life. Your looks is your lifestyle. The money you earn will get you a great lifestyle. And it's good. I'm not saying we shouldn't have money. Money is going to get you a great lifestyle. A better house, a better car, a better income, better gadgets. All of these things will come as a matter of lifestyle. But there's a great difference in living a great lifestyle and a great life. What we are talking about here today is living a great life. Well, how many of you are born? How many of you are born? कितने लोगों का जन्म हुआ है यहाँ? I'm sorry about that question. It's a very paradoxical, rhetorical kind of question. But I think I have always defined life as a segment called BD, in which B stands for birth. And to be very honest, yeah, sure, please. Yeah. To be very honest, birth is not in our control, isn't it? आप में से कितने लोगों ने अपने माता पिता को चुना है? ये हाथ क्या उठा रहा है? कोई चुन के आया है? बिंदास हाथ उठा रहा है साला। बोले ये मेरी मम्मी होगी, ये मेरे पापा होगा, फिर मैं अवतार लूंगा इनके घर में। What are we talking about? None of us have chosen our parents. How many of you chose your looks? मेरा नाक ऐसा होगा, मेरी आंख ऐसी होगी. We never chose our looks either. They say that no one looks as good as their Facebook profile picture. No one. No one looks as good as their Facebook profile picture, and no one looks as horrible as their Aadhaar card picture. God, is such a contrast, you know. Such a contrast. Facebook में एकदम style में और Aadhaar में wanted. I'll tell you, it's completely out of our control. The birth is out of our control. And the D, which stands for death, even that's out of our control. एक चीज बोलूं, कितना भी जीवन में समस्या आ जाए ना, कभी भी आत्महत्या का विचार मत करना. कुछ भी हो जाए, दिल टूट जाए, दूसरा आ जाएगा. फेल हो जाओ, यूनिवर्सिटी दयालु है चांस देने के लिए. घर में कहीं भी समस्याएं आ जाए, let death come by its natural course, which is not in our control either. The birth's not in our control and the death's not in our control, and we will die for certain. इसमें कोई शंका नहीं है, कोई शंका नहीं है. One lady and her nephew, the lady was 65 and the nephew was like 30, 28, 25, 28. Whenever there was a wedding in the family, जब भी शादी होती थी ना, बुआ और उनका जो नेफ्यू है वो दोनों साथ साथ में खड़े रहते थे. एंड देन द लेडी वुड नज नेफ्यू, अगला तेरा नंबर है. और नौजवान लड़कों को लड़कियों को शादी करना ने बोले दे डोंट लाइक इट, अगला तेरा नंबर है. सो ही वुड एवरी टाइम देयर वाज अ मैरिज शी वुड डू दिस, अगला तेरा नंबर है. एंड देन देयर वाज अ डेथ इन द फैमिली एंड बोथ वेंट फॉर द फ्यूनरल. और दोनों साथ साथ में खड़े थे. दिस टाइम नेफ्यू सेड अगला आपका नंबर है. I'll tell you, अगला किसका नंबर आएगा कौन जाने. लेकिन हम उसके बारे में सोच ही क्यों रहे हैं? Why should we think about birth, which is not in our control? Why should we think about our looks, which is not in our control? Why should we think about how death, which is not in our control? What is in our control is between these letters B and D is a letter called C, which stands for choice. It is this usage of choice that makes a great life. It is the usage of this C, choice, that makes a great man or a woman. Every great person, no one was born great in the maternity ward. सचिन तेंदुलकर मां के गर्भ से छक्का लगा के नहीं आया. अरिजीत सिंह मां के गर्भ से तुम ही हो करके नहीं आया. No one was born great. Everyone has the potential to be great. Every single person sitting in this auditorium has the potential to be great and to lead a great life. But that potential has to be utilized. That potential has to be realized. And in order to realize that potential, we have to make the right choices. That choice is completely in our control. Your looks are not in your control. The socio-economic class you are born into is not in your control. The way we die is not in our control. Demonetization around is not in our control. So many things happen in the world which are not in our control. But how we make our choices is completely within our control. Ladies and gentlemen, therefore, I say, being a male is a matter of birth. Being a man is a matter of age. But being a gentleman is a matter of choice. And as a corollary to that, being a female is a matter of birth. Being a woman is a matter of age. But being a gentlewoman or a lady is a matter of choice. Choose. You have to learn to choose. And if you don't choose, नहीं सब लोग सोच रहे चूज whom, him or her. मैंने जैसे चूज बोला सब लोग देख रहे किसको करूं. Oh goodness, सब क्या बच्चे भी आजकल के, क्या बोलूं मैं. हम लोग कॉलेज में थे तो ऐसा सोचते ही नहीं थे. सोचते थे अंदर अंदर. बाद में क्या का क्या हो गया आप देख ही रहे हैं. When Swami Vivekananda, he was in London and he was dressed up in like robes of a Swami, and one British man, English man, came and said, "Hey, why don't you dress up like a gentleman?" And Swami Vivekananda gave a great answer. He said, "In your country, a tailor makes a gentleman. In our country, character makes a gentleman." Our dress doesn't make a gentleman. It's the choices we make that makes a gentleman. Ladies and gentlemen, this morning I would like to discuss with you a couple of mantras for success, a couple of sutras for success, where you will have to make that choice. And believe me, you hand on my heart, I can tell you, rest assured, if you just do what I'm saying, all the potential you have in you will be unfolded. Otherwise, you'll remain a mediocre student. You'll remain a mediocre student. You'll remain a mediocre doing a 9 to 6 job, earning a few bucks. That is all you will be for the rest of your life because you didn't follow what I'm trying to propose to you today. Give me all your ears and listen to what I have to say attentively. And if you try and change and apply even a little bit of what I'm saying today, I can assure you, greatness will not just remain a dream for you. Greatness will become a reality for you in your life. You won't rot in a mediocre life. You will live a great life. Okay. Everyone wants those secrets and, to know what those mantras are. How many of you went to school? I'm sorry. If you're in college, obviously you went to school. और वो स्कूल में ना, क्या वो एक स्पेलिंग सही आना कितना मुश्किल था. कितने लोगों को स्पेलिंग में बहुत मुश्किल होता था बचपन में? कितने लोगों को आज भी मुश्किल जाता है? मतलब ठीक है, जाता है तो जाता है. स्पेलिंग डजंट डिफाइन यू. योर पर्सनैलिटी डिफाइंस यू, नॉट स्पेलिंग. गलत हो गया स्पेलिंग, उसमें आइडिया ग्रेट है, गलत स्पेलिंग से तो फर्क क्या पड़ता है? People who have great ideas don't necessarily know all the spellings right. And just because someone knows all the spelling right doesn't mean he has great ideas. One teacher in school asked a guy, स्कूल में बच्चों को पूछा, एक बच्चे को पूछा, which state of India are you from? बच्चा बोला, महाराष्ट्र मैडम. बोला, can you spell it for me? He said, no, I'm from Goa actually. महाराष्ट्र का स्पेलिंग कौन बोलेगा, इतना बड़ा मेरे को आता नहीं. To get those spellings right was such a task. It was success for you. In school, what was success? Getting the spellings right, getting your math right, getting your pronunciations right. One teacher called a man and said, आपके बच्चे को last 1 week I'm teaching your child how to pronounce the word electricity. He keeps saying electricity. The father said, what can the poor fellow do? That's his capacity. I must tell you. स्कूल में ना एक प्रोनाउंसिएशन सही आ गया, स्पेलिंग सही आ गया, टीचर का झापड़ नहीं खाया, मैं ग्रेट हूं. I'm successful. And then of course you come to college. And in college what matters to you is a degree, your BMS, your MMS, your Be Calm. Your Be completely calm, be calm. I'll tell you, you all want professional degrees. And when you get those professional degrees, you know that your future will obviously be bright. उसमें भी पढ़ाई नहीं करते लुखे. मतलब आज के नौजवान इतने लुखे हैं कि पढ़ाई करो, अभी टाइम पास करने का एज नहीं है. सबको लगता है अभी टाइम पास नहीं करेंगे तो कब करेंगे, लेकिन अभी टाइम पास करेंगे तो भविष्य कुछ नहीं होगा. Right now is the time of focus. Right now is the time of concentration. Right now is the time of dedicated commitment to your academic courses. Because if you don't give it now, when will you give it? It's just going to be too late. And then your future is going to be jeopardized. भविष्य में क्या होगा आपके पास? Mediocrity. Mediocrity. ऐसे ही मीडियोकर बन के रह जाओगे. मैं आपको बोलूं क्या? आप सबको देख के मुझे लगता है कि आप सबके बीच में एक एक हनुमान बैठा है. सबके अंदर एक एक हनुमान बैठा. क्यों बोल रहा हूं मालूम? हनुमान was meant to cross the ocean to go and find Sita. But he didn't know what his power was. Every monkey was saying, we'll jump this much, jump this much. He was quiet. Then there was a personality called Jambavan who came and reminded Hanuman, you have the potential to cross this ocean. And only when he was reminded and empowered could Hanuman cross the ocean and find Sita. आप सबके अंदर एक ऐसा व्यक्ति बैठा है. मैं जैसे आपके चेहरों को देख रहा हूं ना, आपकी आंखों में एक चमक दिखती है मुझे. और उस आंखों की चमक में मैं देख सकता हूं कि आपके भीतर भी एक बहुत महान व्यक्ति बैठा है. लेकिन अगर अभी मेहनत नहीं करोगे, अगर अभी समर्पण नहीं करोगे, तो कब करोगे? दिस इज द टाइम. This is the age. This is the era. Not to get distracted. Not to get carried away by all those temptations. This is the time to give not your 100, your 200% to what you're doing. And then excel accordingly. नहीं तो पढ़ाई करते नहीं लुखे और फेल हो जाते हैं बेशरम. वो एक लड़का लुखा ही था, वो भी अपने फादर के साथ चल के जा रहा है, तो उसके फ्रेंड का मैसेज आया कि अरे आज अपना रिजल्ट आने वाला है. तो उसने मैसेज किया वापस, भाई मेरे अपने पापा के साथ चल रहा हूँ, पापा कभी भी फोन ले लेते हैं, मैसेज वैसेज चेक करते हैं मेरा, तो अगर फेल हो गया ना मैं तो कोड लैंग्वेज में बताना भाई, नहीं तो पापा को पता लग गया तो रास्ते पे ही आग निकलेगा कान के नीचे. तो तू एक कर, अगर एक में फेल हो गया ना बोल देना गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू, मैं समझ जाऊंगा. 2 में फेल हो गया ना बोल देना गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू एंड डैड. 5 मिनट में मैसेज आया गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू डैड फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स. सब में फेल हो गया वो. हरे राम राम. आई विल टेल यू, एट दिस स्टेज इन योर लाइफ सक्सेस मीन्स achievement of a degree, right? How many of you are looking forward to your convocation ceremony when you get the degree in your hand? How many of you are looking forward to probably pursuing a post-graduation course if you're a graduate and then getting a good degree in your hand? Of course, all of you. And what is that meant for? That is meant for a job, right? A job, a business. कुछ करके दिखाएंगे. स्वामी जी आपका लेक्चर व्यर्थ नहीं जाने देंगे, है ना? देने जाने देंगे व्यर्थ? आपका लेक्चर व्यर्थ नहीं जाने देंगे, कुछ तो करके दिखाएंगे. There was a guy in America. He went to Microsoft for a job interview. What was the job interview for? झाड़ू वाला. झाड़ू वाले के लिए इंटरव्यू के लिए गया. So इंटरव्यू में पास हो गया. तो the HR man said, okay, we'll send you your employment letter for the post of a janitor, a jhadu wala. Give me your email ID. He said, well, I don't have an email ID. He said, idiot. You come to Microsoft to apply for a job and you don't have an email ID? So you're not selected, get out. बेचारा निकला बाहर, बोला यार email ID नहीं, job नहीं मिला. He had $5 in his pocket. He went around and purchased a crate of tomatoes. And went and sold that crate of tomatoes for $10. $5 he made in one day. He said, not bad, I can make money. He started his business and grew to be the greatest retailer of tomatoes in the whole United States of America. Then he decided to get an insurance done. So he called the insurance people. So the insurance people said, yeah, all the papers are ready. Give us your email ID, we'll email it to you. He said, I don't have an email ID. Said, sir, you don't have an email ID, you're such a wealthy big businessman. If you would have had an email ID, what would you be? He said, a jadu wala at Microsoft. You know, अगर email ID होता था ना, एक झाड़ू वाला बन जाता था Microsoft में. email ID नहीं था इसलिए आज बड़ा businessman बन गया. I'll tell you, we all want that job. And what is that job meant for? How many of you want money here? Be honest. How many of you want a lot of money? अरे साधुओं के सामने हाथ उठाने से इच्छा सच हो जाती है. हाथ उठा लो अभी. Oh God. We all want a lot of money. और मारवाड़ी लड़की होगी तो पैसा कैसा कमाती हो मालूम है? कैसा कमाएगी वो पैसा? One teacher in a class was asking all the students, tell me, what do you want to be when you grow up? So one guy whose name was Varun, Ota, I want to be the richest man in the world, have 20 big bungalows, 5 fancy, most expensive cars, I want a private chartered plane, and hundreds of servants under me. So then the teacher said, look, I asked you what you want to be. You can't say this in so many sentences. Answer only in one sentence, okay? Now whoever I ask has to answer in one sentence. So he said, Pooja, what do you want to be? She said, Varun's wife. Varun's wife. वो सब कमाने थे उसको, मैं मारवाड़ी हूं, मैं उससे शादी कर लेती हूं. सब मेरा होगा. अरे भाई पैसा, when you were a kid, pronunciation was success to you. When you were a college student, degree was success to you. When you came to take a job, promotion meant success to you. At all stages, money meant success to you. And then of course, इतना सब किस लिए? इतना सब किस लिए किया? पैसे का क्या अचार डालेंगे? जब तक कोई नहीं हो, एक लड़का आया और पंडित जी को बोलता है, ज्योतिषी को, स्वामी जी मेरा कुंडली देखिए प्लीज, शादी ही नहीं हो रहा है। पंडित जी बोले, कैसे होगा पगले, तेरे कुंडली में सुख ही सुख लिखा है। Oh my God.